If you've lost access to your iCloud account and don't have your phone number, you can still attempt to recover it using alternative methods. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the designated field. This is the email you use to create your iCloud account. Click Continue to proceed. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select the option to answer your security questions or use your recovery email if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. Step 5. Sign into your account. After resetting your password, return to the Apple ID account page and sign in with your Apple ID and the new password. Ensure that you update your account settings with a new phone number or recovery options if possible. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your iCloud account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.